I wanna shoot my shot. Been writing some songs out on my guitar, but I think it's time to call it off. Just turned 25 and I feel so lost. And you said, don't do it for them, don't do it for me. Just do it cause I know it's what you wanna do. Everybody laughing, I dropped out. Good luck singing songs no one cares about. Only one face in an empty crowd, but you knew every line and I heard you shout. Oh, oh, don't do it for them, don't do it for me. Just do it cause I know it's what you wanna do. Risen in my soul is what you told me. Don't quit your daydream. Don't you get another job? You can tell the haters off. Don't quit your daydream. Yeah, no matter what it costs, I wanna see you in the stars. One day you'll thank me, even though it now it's hard. I know you go far, don't quit on me. No, it was never easy, we were broken, depressed, but we came out of the trenches and we made our fence. Yeah, I doubted every single second I spent, but you believed in me before I even saw myself. Now I do it for them, I do it for you, I do it cause this is what I was made for. Oh, oh. Written in my soul is what you told me. Don't quit your daydream. Don't you get another job? You can tell the haters off. Don't quit your daydream. Yeah, no matter what it costs, I wanna see you in the stars. One day you'll thank me, even though right now it's hard. I know you go far, don't quit on me. Don't quit on me, don't quit on me, yeah. I don't take it for granted. Try not to take advantage. I can't let myself forget. So when you're down and you want to give in, I think of what you've given. Can I tell you, babe, what you don't quit your daydream. Don't you get another job? You can tell the haters off. Don't quit your daydream. Yeah, no matter what it costs, I wanna see you in the stars. One day you'll thank me, even though right now it's hard. I know you go far, don't quit on me.